Creating a papier-mâché spider for Halloween can be a fun and spooky craft project. Here's a step-by-step guide to make your own creepy spider decoration. Roll a sheet of newspaper diagonally from the corner, creating a long and tight tube. Secure the corner with a piece of masking tape. Twist the tube and tape it every few centimetres, making sure it stays in place. Create 4 of these twisted newspaper tubes. These will serve as the spider's legs. Fold each twisted tube in half and tape them at the middle, forming a joint. Open up one side and insert another twisted tube between the 2 sides. Repeat this process on the other side, creating an 8-legged star shape. Take a newspaper page and scrunch it into a ball. Use masking tape to secure the ball from various angles, forming a solid sphere. Attach this ball to the star shape you created earlier using masking tape between each joint. Repeat this process for the other side of the spider's body. Wet gum strip by pulling it through a damp sponge. Carefully mold the gum strip around each joint, making sure it sticks securely. Wrap the gum strip around the spider's body like a belt. Continue wrapping each leg's twisted tube in gum strip up to the tips, covering the entire sculpture in brown gum strip. Leave it to dry. Sculpt the tubes into spider's legs using your fingers. Wrap wires around the joints to help them stay in place. Repeat this process for each leg until the body is suspended and each leg touches the ground. Mix PVA glue and water in equal parts. Cut strips of newspaper no larger than the palm of the hand. Dip these strips into the glue mixture and use the scissor technique to remove excess glue. Apply the strips between the joints first and work outwards towards the tips, overlapping the layers to ensure they stick together. Continue until the entire sculpture is covered in newspaper, concealing the gum strip. Allow it to dry. Cut strips of tissue paper, again no larger than the palm of the hand. Use a brush to paint the sculpture with glue, then apply the tissue paper. Start with the joints and work towards the tips, overlapping the layers. Use your fingers to ensure the tissue paper adheres well, squeezing out excess glue and spreading it. Allow the sculpture to dry. Squeeze black paint onto a palette and spread it with a brush until it's consistent. Hold the spider's body with your fingers and use the dry brushing technique to apply the paint. Start from the tips and gently stroke the brush towards the joints, allowing the tissue paper to show through in the cracks and crevices. Let the paint dry. Your papier-mâché spider for Halloween is now complete. Hang it up, place it in a spooky corner, or use it as a centerpiece for your Halloween decor. Enjoy your eerie creation.